It is so amazing that there's a particular platform that you don't need 1,000 subscribers, you don't need 4,000 watch hours before you can start making money. Now look at my analytics. Take a look at this. Just take a look at this. This account was created on May 13, 2026. Now when I started seeing people talking about this thing, I was like, okay, I need to quickly go create this. And when I created this account on the 13th May 2026, I decided to just upload one of my videos. At least I think it's even a short. Now look at the video I uploaded. You can see monetized. It is written monetized on it. So immediately I uploaded this video, I already monetized that channel without having to do anything. So let me just click on the video to show you guys. It's an 8-minute video. In fact, it's a short. Now this is a video that I just did on Snapchat. Okay, now you can see how simple it is. You don't even need to stress yourself that you want to create one content. And ever since I uploaded that video on the platform, I didn't go back to check how it was going. I didn't optimize, I didn't do anything. The only thing I did was just to create an account on the platform, and then I just dropped one random video that I made on Snapchat and I left it there. But look at it now. I have 3 followers, and this particular video has given me 15 cents without stress, without doing anything. Unlike YouTube, you know, when you start up your YouTube channel, you have to go through a lot of process. There are a lot of rules and regulation. I mean, it's too much. Plus the stress of having to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you can even make a dime. So in this video, I'm going to show you this particular platform, how you can sign up for this platform, and how you can start uploading your videos. And I'm also going to give us tips about videos that you can upload that is actually going to go viral, because the more views you get, the more money you're also going to make. Now the sweet part about this particular platform is once you hit $50 threshold, you can withdraw your money to your account. Unlike YouTube, that you have to get to the $100 threshold before you can withdraw. You understand? So it's very easy. It's very simple and nice. So without much being said, let me just take you straight into the main video. So to register on this platform, you need to go to Google, and then you're going to type out Rumble. I know a lot of us have heard about this platform, but don't worry, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a particular hack that can get you views and also increase your revenue so that you can withdraw as soon as possible. Now after clicking on Rumble, you're going to see this interface, which is the first one. You're going to click on it, and it is going to bring you to this interface. You can see we have a lot of creators here, a lot of people that have uploaded videos with millions of views and thousands of views. Now what you need to do to sign up, you can see at the right side, click on sign up. Okay, so it is going to load. Now once you click on sign up, you're going to see this interface, create a Rumble account. The next thing is to click on your email, and then you're going to type your email there. So I'm just going to type in my email, and the next thing is to add your date of birth. Okay, so you're going to select the month, the day, and then the year. Now once you're done with this, you're going to click on next. Once you click on next, it is going to ask you to verify if you are a human being. Definitely you are a human. So after then, you're going to see this interface. You need to fill in your basic information. Okay, so you can now choose a username for yourself. So for me, I'm just going to type grow with bouquet. So please do search for my name on Rumble whenever you create your own account, and give me a follow. Now the next one is to choose your gender, and then you're going to choose your country. So I'm just going to search for my own country. So after finding your country, just click on that small box, tick it, and click on next. Okay, so it is going to load and take you to the next interface. Now it is also going to ask you to verify if you're a human being. I don't know why it keeps asking, so you just need to verify before you can go to the next interface. Now this is where you need to create a very strong password, and you need to make sure that your password passes all these tests. It needs to have at least 8 characters, uppercase, a special character, lowercase, and then 1 number. Okay, so I'm just going to fill in mine. So after filling in your password, just click on next. Once you click on next, it is going to send a code to that particular email which you inputted in the first place. Okay, you can see they have sent me the code. Okay, so if you go to your email and you can't find that code, you can as well check your spam folder. You're definitely going to see it there. Okay, so this is the simplest way to verify your email. So I've pasted the numbers there, and then you're going to see this. Just it has a lot of verification. Just make sure that you follow through, and after you're done with this, click on next. Now you're officially monetized because you now have a Rumble account. You can see welcome to Rumble, grow with Bookie. To find your interest, okay, so now this is the first hack. You need to actually find your interest so that they are going to start recommending videos that are related to what you want to do. Okay, so now just click on find your interest and you're going to see this interface: sports, gaming, news, health, science, entertainment, finance, and crypto. So just click whichever suits what you want to be doing or uploading on Rumble. So for me, I'm going to be choosing finance, crypto, entertainment, and news, right? And once you're done selecting, click on next, and it is going to bring you to this interface. It is going to bring creators that are into those niches that you selected. Okay, so you want to make sure that you click one or two, and after you've clicked, click on done. And once you're done, you're going to see this interface, my feed and for you. Okay, it is going to recommend videos based on what you choose initially. Now you can see a lot of videos that were uploaded not even up to 24 hours with a lot of views. This is to tell you that if you know how this platform works, you're going to get a lot of views and you're going to make money, right? Now the next thing you want to do is to click on that icon at the right side at the top that looks like a profile. Now once you click on it, you're going to see this interface. It is going to bring this account settings, dashboard, manage subscription, my content, Rumble Studio. So they also have their own studio, just like YouTube Studio, but you need to verify your number before you can have access to the Rumble Studio. Now click on dashboard. Okay, so you can see your statistics. You are automatically monetized. Okay, so all you just need to do is just to start uploading quality videos that people want to watch, and that is where the tricks come in that I said I'm going to give us on how you can start getting views and also making a lot of money. Now before I share that tip, click on account settings. Now once you click on account settings, you are required to fill in your information, your full name, your phone number, your street address. Do you understand? So you want to make sure that every information you're filling here is correct. Okay, this is also where you're going to fill your payment details. Now you can see payment type, they only pay through PayPal. Okay, now for your payment information, that's where you're going to put your account details, and once you're done filling this, you're going to click on save changes. So let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a video on how you can verify your phone number very easy, especially if you live in the African countries. Okay, now for you to upload your videos, come to this icon, click on it, and you're going to see upload videos, go live. Now you're going to click on upload videos, and then you're going to see this interface. You're going to click on that arrow, and once you click on that arrow, you're going to see this something is going to pop up. Click on photo library, and it is automatically going to take you to your gallery. Make sure you've edited your video. Just click on the video you want to upload, and then you're going to click on add. Now you can see how fast it is uploading, unlike YouTube that drags a lot and it takes a lot of MB, a lot of data before you can even upload it. Okay, so this is much more faster. Now while this is uploading, you can as well just scroll down and add title. You can add description, you can add categories just like YouTube. You can select a custom thumbnail. You can see it's very easy. The interface is very easy to use. Now you can also add your tags. You can also add related videos, just like you refer your short form videos to your long form videos. And this particular feature, I really love it, where it says feature video on the top of your profile. Now whoever comes to your profile for the first time, that's the video they are going to see. It's just more like the for you section that you have on YouTube. Okay, so once you're done with that, you can also click the visibility, whether you want it on public, unlisted. After you're done with this, just click on upload, and voila, your video has been uploaded. Okay, and it is monetized immediately. It is uploaded and it is on public. That video is monetized. For the tips that I promised that I'm going to share at the beginning of this video, so that you can start getting a lot of views on this particular platform, and then you're also going to start making money, is that you want to upload videos that those in the US will be much more interested in. Videos like politics, videos like talking about crypto. I think they are so much interested in that. Entertainment, yeah. So you want to make sure that you make your research. There are a lot of videos on Rumble, and guess what? You can also do reaction. Yes, you can do reaction. You can actually pick one video from Rumble that talks about Donald Trump, that talks about what is happening in the US, and all you just need to do is take it to CapCut, save it, take it to CapCut, and react to it. Okay, so that you can actually make it like your own. Unlike YouTube, that you cannot take another person's video, you're going to get inauthentic content, you're going to get reused content. All these things are not on this platform. It is very easy for you to monetize. It is very easy for you to make money here on this platform. So if you've not registered on this platform, leaving a lot of money on the table. So you want to use the link in the comment section. Just click on the link and it's going to direct you straight to the platform. All you just need to do is to input your details and voila, you have your channel. Then you can start uploading your videos and start making money. All right, so this will be the end of this video. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.